This is the BNCP-100 Cordless Rivet Gun by BN Products, USA. This 18-volt cordless rivet gun will save you time and money by quickly and efficiently joining two pieces of material together. The main advantage to using a pop rivet system is that you only need access to one side of the joining material. This unit even comes with a waste container to make disposing effortless. Another feature is this built-in light. The unit also comes with 4 different sized rivet heads and are easily interchanged. The BNCP-100 comes complete with this sturdy carrying case, along with a charger and 2 lightweight batteries. Well, that's a look at the BNCP-100 Cordless Rivet Gun. For more information and to find a distributor near you, visit bnproducts.com.